Hey everybody, this is Dan, Basic Camping with Dan, here with Scarlett. Come here, Scarlett. Oh, hey pretty girl, what you doing? Give me some kisses. All right, get down, baby girl. And today is Mardi Gras, the start of the Mardi Gras weekend. I'm here in St. Louis, which is a big celebration. And so yeah, what are we gonna celebrate today? I got gonna make a homemade Muffuleta, which is one of my favorites. And so the first thing you need to do is get some bakery fresh bread. Usually you'll be able to find, oh, there's Scarlett again, get down. You'll be able to get this at most grocery stores. I got everything at Walmart, but you can get it at any local grocery store. So fresh baked bread. And then I got, it's just the Italian style charcuterie. It is Calabrese, Salami, and Capicola. Then you're going to need provolone cheese, or you can use Swiss. I prefer provolone because it has a little bit more of a smokier flavor. And then the thing that's really going to tie it together is Mediterranean olive salad. You could pick this up pretty much any store. There's also just olive salad that's usually a little bit cheaper, but this one, I just thought that this one would taste pretty good. So this is really what's going to give the muffuletta flavor. And so the first thing I need to do is get my stove top, because we're going to get the bakery bread nice and toasty, just to give kind of a little bit of a crunch. And today I'm going to be using my new big propane setup. If you watched my last video, 2 videos ago, I'll put the link in description. I kind of went over my new setup with this. And we're gonna let the cast iron over here warm up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna cut our bread. We're gonna cut it long ways, so just right in the middle. Just go ahead and just cut it right down the middle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the bottom side down first. We're going to do it in 2 batches. Just throw that just like that. And make sure you keep a good eye out on this. Make sure it doesn't burn. If you have to, turn it down a little bit. And the key to this is you want the bread to be toasty, but you don't want it too toasty. You kind of want it to be just like a little crisp on the outside, but still soft in the middle. Let's go ahead and look like that, just a little toast, and then we're just going to flip that a little bit. Just another few moments on this side. Shouldn't take long. See, yeah, we're just essentially warming the bread up. Just like that, yeah, just a little crisp. And then we're going to throw the top on real quick. And once we get this bottom right here, we're going to start assembling. And so we're going to be generous with the cheese. 3, 4, and then we got the charcuterie. And so we're going to just kind of stack it a little bit, like a little bit of each. Put this down on the bottom. Make sure you get kind of spread it out a little bit. That's good. And then we're going to add the salami and the capicola. Just stack it on. And this is the most important ingredient, is the olive salad. So what we are going to do is we're going to open the can. It's probably on there pretty good. There we go. And with the salad, we're just going to be very, very liberal with it. Make sure you, because this is really what is going to make the sandwich, is this olive salad. And so what we're going to do now is put the top on. It is suggested that when you make this sandwich, you wait a couple hours, but for now I'm super hungry, so I'm just going to eat it now. But what that does is it kind of, that salad is going to marinate with everything on the sandwich. But alrighty, then we're going to go ahead and throw this on top. That is a massive sandwich, so we are going to cut it in half, because there's no way you're going to be able to eat that. And you can serve this with a side of chips, a side of pasta, or a salad. It's your choice, but I'm just going to do chips because it's convenient, especially when you're camping. But this is a super delicious, just easy camp recipe if you wanted something that you normally don't have. And so yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try real quick. Oh, look at this bad boy. Look at that. Does that look good? So let's go ahead, drink a nice little bite. That is so, that's delicious. But this is the end of this little short. If you like this, thumbs up, subscribe. This is Basic Camping with Dan on YouTube. I appreciate everybody tuning in, and cheers. Have a good Mardi Gras season. Be safe. And then also, Lent's coming up, so I'm gonna have to do some fish tacos soon. So next weekend I'm definitely gonna do a fish taco recipe. Cheers, everybody.